Now let's make the basket move. And what I want to happen is when the user clicks to the right of the basket will move right, and when he clicks left of the basket, it'll go left. And we can do that by using what I call a canvas click, and it is one of the snippets here under button snippets on phasergames.com, or you can just type it out. And game input, and I'm going to say on down instead of on up. Add, and the function name, this move basket. And I'm going to have the function here move basket, and I'm going to have a variable up here at the top, and we'll call it this basket xdir. So the direction of the basket. And then down here in the update function, we can just say this basket x plus equals this basket dir x. And right now it's 0, so it won't move at all. And we can just test that out by going over here and seeing nothing has changed so far. Now there's a way to get the x of the mouse on a click. There's several ways, and this way is game.input.x. And if that is greater than the basket x, then we know that it's clicked to the right of it. And we can say this basket xdir equals 1. Else, this basket xdir equals -1. And as you can see, now it's moving. And if I click over here, it moves. Now the problem is, though, that it keeps moving even when I let up on the mouse. So what we can do is go over here and get another canvas click. And we'll copy that in. And this time, we'll leave that on up as it is, and we'll add a function, this stop basket. And this basket xdir equals 0. So let's refresh. So moving it and let it up, and it stops. Now we can also make that go faster by giving it a basket speed. This basket speed equals 2. And then down here in the update statement, we can use that basket speed to multiply the basket x direction. So now it should go twice as fast. Great. And then we can just adjust that to however we need it in the game. Or maybe even later we can put in some kind of power-up or something where if they catch the right thing, the basket will speed up.